took nothing at all for it to get off the ground.
All three.
0. 25%. 0.
A little too hot.
Reverse full.
The gyro is locked in on this one. It's even better than the F-22's. F-22 still gets skittish, but it might be just that particular model.
So everything is okay with it? Games and everything?
You didn't see it rock or anything? Looked pretty solid in the air to me. What do you think?
Oh, absolutely.
25%.
It's a big difference from the wind this morning.
50%.
It takes nothing at all.
Gear up.
The rudder looks
0.
super effective too. I see you giving it kind of pitches.
Yeah, got to be careful not to overdo it.
50%. 50%.
Now that was cool.
Gear down. 30 seconds. 0. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%.
There's
Some pictures with the camera 'cause
0. 50%. Gear up.
Wow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Can't tell if it's tail heavy or if it's just pitching up.
I think it's just pitching up.
I lost you. I hope you ain't lost you.
50%.
See a plane?
Nice.
Yeah.
Time remaining 1 minute. Seconds. Gear down. 20 seconds. Landing flaps. 25%. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 0. Reverse roll. Speed brake closed. %.
Oh, I am. Oh, that's nice.
Did you bring a plane, Galen?
Got it.
Oh, man.
What a nice night, huh?
Yeah. Big improvement from this morning.
Ooh. Tucked over there. Over there.
You got more batteries, right?
More power, get your nose up. I was a Navy bro.
50%.
I had no idea what the Navy does all
You're
they
up.
do. Running a generator.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There we go. It's under system configuration. Telemetry warning pop up.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, maybe. The black one is the mom. The black one is the dad.
I almost stalled it there.
Don't do that.
Did you trim it out yet?
It's fairly well trimmed out.
I built a new helicopter, but I can't get it going everywhere.
Yeah, it would
Yeah, I
have
do.
cracked.
Order new parts.
I got a plan in the box at the house.
Is it in?
Careful with your min-rad turn. Like the Viper, it'll drop a wing and drop a wing quick.
Yeah, I know.
When it bites, you get no warning.
I'm checking it out.
I got a neighbor with a. I'll bring my old antique one out, and we'll use this.
Gear down.
Here then.
50%. 20 seconds.
Well, he's been coming in with flaps and he's been doing some really beautiful landing.
Look at that. Look at that.
50%. 10. 9. 8. 7. Landing flat. 5.
Hot and
4.
landing like
3.
Doesn't it?
2. 1. Time 0. 25% 0.
Johnny.
25 0.
Home.
Brake reverse full.
Really?
0. 20 0. 25%.
He's
Good
got
luck.
the newer one. It is nice.
Like a bird.
Right on.
There you go.